Looking to tackle your woodworking projects with ease? Best Wood drill bits give you precision and efficiency every time. From DIY enthusiasts to professionals, these high-quality bits make drilling smoother, faster, and more accurate than ever before. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. ENERTWIST Wood Drill Bits. The ENERTWIST Wood Drill Bits set is a versatile all-in-one solution for both DIY enthusiasts and professional craftsmen, offering an impressive 246 pieces to cover nearly every drilling and fastening task. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this set includes a variety of drill bits suitable for wood, metal, concrete, and masonry, making it ideal for household repairs, woodworking projects, and multi-material tasks. One of the standout features of this set is its premium quality construction. Each bit is crafted from superior high-speed steel, HSS, and coated with titanium to enhance durability, reduce wear, and ensure a longer lifespan, even under frequent use. The set is housed in a thoughtfully designed, portable carry case with clear black and orange color coding, molded placeholders, and a sponge cushion that keeps all bits organized and prevents them from falling out or mixing up. This makes it extremely convenient to transport and store, especially for users who work on-site or travel between projects. Additionally, the set includes a wide range of specialized bits, including spade bits, twist drill bits, wood-specific bits, masonry bits, countersinks, hex keys, nut drivers, and drill stops, ensuring that every drilling task can be handled without needing additional tools. Compatible with both impact drills and standard drivers, this set brings remarkable flexibility, precision, and reliability to your workspace. The ENERTWIST Wood Drill Bit set truly stands out for its comprehensive selection, high-quality materials, and user-friendly storage solution, making it a top choice for anyone serious about woodworking or home improvement projects. Number 2. COMOWARE Wood Drill Bits. COMOWARE wood drill bits are designed for precision and durability, offering a 115-piece M35 Cobalt HSS drill bit set built for demanding metal and wood applications. The inclusion of 5% cobalt in the high-speed steel construction ensures exceptional wear resistance, heat tolerance, and longevity, allowing these drill bits to outperform standard HSS bits in challenging tasks such as drilling hardened steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and even aluminum. Beyond metal, these bits are also highly effective for wood and plastic, providing versatility for workshops and home use. One of the key advantages of this set is the 135-degree split-point design, which allows self-centering, fast cutting, and minimal walking, making it easier to start precise holes with less effort. The twisted shank design efficiently clears metal shavings while maintaining smooth drilling performance. The COMOWARE set is thoughtfully organized with a drill bit holder and size index, which helps keep all 115 bits neatly arranged, simplifying selection and storage. It includes fractional sizes from 1/16 inch to 1/2 inch, letter sizes AZ, and numbered bits #1-#60, covering nearly any drilling requirement in a single set. Professionals, hobbyists, and DIYers alike will appreciate the combination of durability, precision, and versatility, as these bits are engineered to deliver consistent performance across wood, metal, and plastic projects. Overall, COMOWARE wood drill bits stand out as a reliable, high-quality set that balances toughness, accuracy, and ease of use, making it an excellent investment for anyone seeking long-lasting, professional-grade drill bits for various applications. Number 3. GMTOOLS Wood Drill Bits. The GMTOOLS Wood Drill Bits set is a high-performance collection of 115 Cobalt HSS drill bits, expertly designed for professionals and woodworking enthusiasts who demand precision and durability. Crafted from high-speed steel with a black and gold oxide finish, these bits offer enhanced corrosion resistance and wear protection, ensuring long-lasting performance. The 135-degree split-point design allows for automatic centering, fast penetration, and minimal walking, which is particularly helpful when working on delicate wood surfaces or metal projects. The fully ground twist design ensures smooth, efficient drilling while reducing friction and preventing overheating during extended use. One of the key benefits of this set is its versatility. The GMTOOLS bits can be used effectively on stainless steel, cast iron, alloy, plastic, and wood, making it a highly adaptable choice for mixed material workshops. Additionally, the round, straight shank and self-centering design provide stability and control, while the twist design allows for easy removal of debris, keeping the work area clean and precise. The set is organized in a sturdy metal index storage case, keeping all bits secure and easy to access. With sizes ranging from 1/16 inch to 1/2 inch, this comprehensive set covers a wide variety of drilling tasks, whether for professional use or DIY projects at home. Overall, the GMTOOLS wood drill bits set combines precision engineering, durable materials, and user-friendly organization to provide a dependable, all-purpose drill bit solution that enhances efficiency, accuracy, and overall workflow. Number 4. MACXCOIP wood drill bits. MACXCOIP wood drill bits are engineered for precision woodworking and come in a complete 29-piece set featuring a brad point tip designed to deliver clean, accurate holes in a variety of wood types, including pine, maple, cedar, oak, and ash. The brad point design ensures effortless starting and prevents wandering, making it ideal for cabinetry, furniture making, and detailed wood projects. These bits are crafted with double cutting edges and extra wide flutes to ensure fast chip removal and smooth drilling performance. The set includes imperial sizes ranging from 1/16 inch to 1/2 inch, covering most basic woodworking needs while providing consistency and accuracy across all drilling tasks. The MACXCOIP set is suitable for both professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts who want reliable results without excessive trial and error. The high-quality construction of each bit ensures longevity, while the versatile application allows drilling into soft and hard woods alike. Whether for creating precise pilot holes, crafting furniture, or working on other wood projects, these brad point drill bits provide superior control, accuracy, and efficiency. Additionally, MACXCOIP offers excellent customer support, which reassures buyers that they can resolve any issues promptly. Overall, the MACXCOIP wood drill bits set delivers high performance, precision, and reliability for woodworking tasks of all scales, making it a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Number 5. FTG USA wood drill bits. FTG USA wood drill bits offer a unique approach to woodworking with their specialized countersink and tapered drill bits, designed for precise pilot holes, countersinking, and counterboring in soft and hard woods. The set includes 12 adjustable number 6, 9/64 inch tapered wood countersink bits, along with depth stop collars and hex wrenches, allowing users to achieve consistent, professional results with every screw or fastener. Crafted from high-speed steel, M2, and designed for durability, these drill bits provide fast, clean, and efficient chip removal while ensuring a tight fit for screws. The wider flute design enhances chip flow and prevents clogging during intensive use, while the adjustable depth feature enables controlled, precise drilling tailored to specific project needs. The FTG USA set comes in a durable plastic storage case, keeping all components organized, safe, and ready for transport, which is especially helpful for on-site woodworking or moving between different project areas. This multipurpose countersink drill bit set is perfect for woodworkers, handymen, and DIY enthusiasts who value precision, efficiency, and convenience. With its carefully engineered design and reliable construction, the FTG USA wood drill bit set ensures smooth, accurate, and repeatable results across a variety of woodworking tasks. Made to FTG USA specifications and assembled in Bloomfield, New Jersey, this set combines American quality standards with versatile functionality, making it a strong addition to any woodworker's toolkit and a thoughtful gift for woodworking enthusiasts. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.